The Commandant of the National Unity and Peace Corps, Chinedu Nneji, has assured Nigerians that all relevant security agencies are working together to tackle kidnapping and other forms of insecurity across the country. Nneji, who spoke at the 2025 Christmas Carol organized by the news agency of Nigeria, Voice of Nigeria, and the Nigerian Television Authority in Abuja, urged Nigerians to remain patient with the present administration, noting that President Bola Tinubu is committed to steering the nation towards peace and progress. He further assured citizens of the core readiness to ensure a peaceful Yuletide celebration at community, state, and national levels.
And for us from the Peace Corps, we will continue to champion peace anywhere we are, in our communities, in our villages, and at the state level and at the national level. Ensure that all the crises we are having, especially kidnapping and other things, will be nipped to the bud within this Christmas period before we enter next year.
On his part, the Director General of Voice of Nigeria, Jibril Ndace, said the period called for national healing and urged Nigerians to embrace the Renew Hope agenda for the country to take its rightful place not only in Africa but in the global community.
We cannot achieve that when we allow certain primordial sentiment to becloud our own judgment. So this is a very important event that we should all encourage. The theme has always been from the beginning about national unity.
The carol is all about Jesus Christ, and every year our theme revolves about Jesus Christ and Nigeria and the society. If we look at our society today, we will all agree that we need divine strength to be able to excel, to be able to even survive.
The event featured high-level music and carol presentation by 8 choral groups from different Christian denominations with the theme, Jesus Our Strength. See and